What have you come here to do?
Please, I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I promise to make it up to you. Please forgive me. Please. I bought this for you.
If you don't get out of my room right now, I swear to God, I will stab you! Get out!
It hasn't gotten to this. Just calm down. I will explain. Just calm down. Let me just calm down, please. Please. Please, my dear. You know I truly love you. I love you so much. I didn't know what came over me, please. I'm so sorry. I will make it up to you. Just one more chance, please.
I was waiting for you. I know you were going to come to my room. Junior, if you know what is good for you, leave my room this minute.
You know I can't.
Leave my room now! Get out, you murderer! Hey! Come back. Come back and pick this nonsense gift of yours. Now! Take advantage of me. Not anymore. Let me see you come close to me again. I will stab you and face the consequence. Nonsense boy. Why is this boy following me everywhere I go? Every right to be angry because I betrayed you. Please. I am so sorry. I did it for us. To save our ass. Florence, I'm so sorry.
You won't believe this, what I will tell you. You are the air I breathe. You're my queen. You're my voice. You're the queen. I love you so much.
You're lying.
I am not lying. I want you to...
Don't touch me.
I want you to understand me. I am not lying. I'm telling you the truth. Yes. Okay. Fine. I couldn't coordinate myself when you broke the news of your pregnancy to me. So I didn't understand myself, and it wasn't easy for me. I know it's very hard for you to believe me, but I love you. I love you so much. And I'm so happy that you're fertile. Because as the only son and only child of my parents, I would definitely get married to a fertile woman like you. Yes, very fertile. And you know what that means. Please, I'm so sorry. Forgive me. Please. Please.
I'm forgiving you.
Forgiving me. Thank you, my sugar. Thank you.
I just wanna love somebody and pray that
Listen to
someone
me.
loves me back. I just wanna be the best I can. I don't wanna live a life of crime.
What is it?
What is my crime?
I'm scared.
This is my life.
I understand. Listen, you don't need to be scared of anything. The doctor that carried out the D&C on you is a professional. It's not a quack doctor. Yes, nothing will happen to you. Trust me. He's my closest friend. Believe me. Come here.
I just wanna love somebody and pray that someone
Good to have you back. Come on.
wanna be the best I can.
Come on, let's go upstairs.
A life of crime.
Hold on.
Hold on.
What is my crime? This is my life, my life, my life, my life.
What for?
This is my life, my life, my life, my life.
Ow.
What are you doing?
Promise to stay with me for the rest of your life.
But I told you I love you. Fine. I promise.
Let's do this.
You know, loving you is the best thing I ever done. Loving you, center of my world. You're the best gift I've ever got. Loving you, that's all I wanna do. Oh, baby.
Oh!
Let me love you, love you, love you, love you, baby. Let me treat you to a better.
To repeat myself, Florence, you have to get rid of this thing.
No way.
Oh, really? Okay. Suit yourself. Then suit yourself.
You know what, Junior? I have had it up to here. And I think I should go tell your parents about it.
Oh, really? Enjoy yourself. Feel free. Go and tell my parents. Of course I know my parents. They won't believe you. Rather, they will throw you out of this place. Nonsense.
So this is it. Junior, for 4 consecutive times, you have made me go through abortions. And now you want me to go through another one, making it a total of 5. Where is your conscience?
I'm afraid, young lady, you have to go through another D&C.
I cannot!
I'm asking you, and I will continue to ask you. What is the big deal in flushing out an unwanted seed? What is the big deal there?
Oh, so you have forgotten so soon. You have forgotten what your doctor friend said. Okay, let me remind you. He said I may lose my life in another attempt. And believe you me, Junior, I am not ready to die.
I don't know why I feel like laughing at you. But let me share the good news. And the good news is, I will be leaving for the States in a fortnight. And I will be gone for so many years, you will not set your eyes on me. Now, I will give you 200,000 naira. Use part of it and get rid of this thing here. And then use the remaining to take care of yourself. And that is final. Goodbye.
I have been living my life in fear of you.
Junior, you did this to me. You deceived me. You made me believe you care so much about me. I never knew it was a contrived incident. So outwit me and gets me pants down.
Can you hear me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you hear me? God of the poor, where have you been for long? Are you chilling somewhere? Can you feel my pain? God of the universe, where have you been for long? I have waited, I have prayed, running out of time. Oh,
Jenny, so you're finally leaving me to my fate while you travel to America.
What are you thinking? That I will stoop so low to a common house help like you? Hmm?
No. So you were playing me all along.
No. You got it wrong. I wasn't playing you. And I was not deceiving you. But you know what, sweetheart? You are not my type. And you will never be my type. You are just a common servant. That's who you are. Understand this. So you have to. You see, I am the only child of a multi-billionaire. And you can see the gap. Very, very long. So you go look for your class. I am not your class, okay? Oh? Good. Good girl. Good girl. That's good. I know by the time I'm back, I must have become.
He has left me to lick my wounds. Very soon, parents will find out about my pregnancy and will have me thrown out to the street. Junior, because you despise children, you will never hear the cry of a baby in your home.
Where have you been for long? Can you hear me call from my place of pain? God of the universe, where have you been for long? I've been waiting, I've been praying. Can you hear me?
They never believed my tale of woes. They thought I made up the story. That it was Jide that got me pregnant.
Can you hear me? I have been faithful. I have been living my life in fear of you. I have my reasons to quit, but please can we turn right now? Where is your mercy? Oh, I'm pleading your mercy. Can't take it no more. Can you hear me? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Where is Junior now?
He's still living in his father's dynasty. He's married now, but has no child.
For how long has he been married now?
27 years. He met his wife abroad, got married before returning back to the country.
27 years of marriage with no child. Wow.
Mom, please, where is he? I mean, where is my father?
Your father is a very rich man. When I say rich, I mean very wealthy.
What's the sense of the richness without no child? Anyway, Mama, please, we need to see him. We need to see this man. Please.
There's no problem. I'll take both of you to go and see him.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Wow. That's nice. Thank you, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
What is going on here? What is going on here? No. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Hey! Does it mean Ojina Mo or whatever her name is called is fake? Hey! Hey! This woman took my 200,000 naira and disappeared. Hey! Hey! Hey!
scammed! Hey!
Had it been I knew she's not real, I wouldn't have given her my money. My money is gone. 200,000 naira. Gone. No wonder. I thought as much. Because after the spiritual cleansing and spiritual walk, Jimmy never looked my way. I don't even know where to find this stupid fake prophetess. Oh, any day I set my eyes on her, I will have her jailed. I'll strangle her. What do I do now? What? Jagada. Jimmy must not marry Rosalie. Even if it's the last thing I am going to do, I must disrupt their plans of getting married. I'll kidnap that stupid Rosalie and release her after I must have married Jimmy. Foolish girl.
Jimmy, stop.
Where?
This place.
Where?
This place.
This one?
Yes,
okay.
on the left.
Okay. You mean this street now?
Yes, just drive in.
You know the particular house?
Yes, you stop in front of this gate. This gate at the front.
This place?
Yes, this white gate.
I know this house. What's going on?
You know?
Park well first.
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
I'm coming.
Okay, Mom. Babe? Are you okay? You look worried. Are you running temperature or what?
I know this house. I mean, let it not be what I'm thinking.
Baby, you're scaring me now.
What's going on?
I don't know what's going on. You said you know the place. I've never been here before.
Yeah, how are you? And I mean, open the gate, okay?
Alright.
He even knows you.
Yeah. Before.
Oh, really?
Come on, let's go now.
Okay.
Let them cross. Say that again.
This place is very fine.
Are you chilling somewhere? Can you feel?
Brother, hey! You didn't tell me you were coming to the house.
Yeah, no.
It's good to see you. Hey, welcome.
You're not looking bad.
Thank you. Rosalie, you're here.
Yeah.
Welcome. Oh,
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma.
How are you, my dear?
I am fine, thank you. Welcome. Brother, let me go and tell Daddy you're around.
Okay, do that. Okay, let's see.
Brother.
Jimmy? How are you? Rosalie, you didn't tell me you were visiting.
I'm sorry about that.
All right, sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Florence,
Douglas.
where have you been? I looked all over for you when I came back from the United States.
Liar.
Hey, woman. Mind the way you talk to my husband. Mind what you tell him.
Well, I know he's your husband. And I'm not here to drag him with you. Well, in a few minutes from now, you will know the monster you're married to.
Hey! Madam, watch your tongue. You're in my house. You don't call my husband names in my house.
Well, madam, I have just one advice for you.
Okay? Say it respectfully. And sit.
You see, in life, don't get carried away with containers. Always try to check what is the content. Very important.
Honey, who is this woman and what's she talking about?
My past has caught up with me.
What past are you talking about?
Well, Douglas, I have brought your daughter to you. Roslyn, this is your father.
What? Roslyn? My daughter?
Yes. Roslyn was the seed you asked me to flush out, as usual, after several abortions. Even when the doctor advised that any further attempt, I will lose my life. I decided to keep the baby, even after you were long gone at the United States of America. I purposely allowed her work in your firm so that she can be close to her father. After all the numerous people that applied for that post, she was chosen. But it was fate at work. This is her first time of knowing her true identity because I purposely kept it away from her.
Why didn't you tell my parents that you were pregnant for me?
Your parents never believed me. They called me a gold digger and threw me out. I went into the streets. I suffered. With my protruding tummy, I hawked under the scorching sun until one day I ran into the same doctor that advised us not to come for another D&C. He told me he intentionally asked us not to come for another abortion because he had been bringing so many girls to his hospital for D&C. He told me you've destroyed so many girls' womb. I suffered. You made me go through pains. I suffered hunger and starvation. I died in the hospital after giving birth to Roslyn. But as the Lord may have it, I woke up 2 days in the mortuary. We were discharged and we went back to the same uncompleted building where I have always found shelter, and that was where I stayed struggled until I am able to make that little baby the woman you are seeing today.
God of the universe, where have you been for long?
I'm sorry.
I've been waiting, I've been praying.
I did those things when I was young. It was all due to youthful exuberance. But please, find a place in your heart for you to forgive me.
I will never forgive you, Douglas. I will never forgive you. You made me suffer. You remember we took a blood oath? That blood oath is what is binding us together. And that is the reason for your childlessness.
Ah! Ọkọ mi! Ẹ gbà mí o.
I just licked the blood. I didn't take it seriously. I didn't know it will result to this.
I cursed you. I cursed the day you left for United States of America. And I cursed the day I came into your father's house as a house help. I am the reason for your wife's barrenness.
Ah! Douglas! Oh, ẹ gbà mí. Douglas, you've killed me.
Please. It was the work of the devil. Forgive me, please.
Well, for your information, I didn't bring my daughter for you to have her. You can never have her. Why would you have her, by the way? Where were you when I suffered? Where were you when I carried her for 9 months? Where were you when I was humiliated? Douglas, you destroyed me. You dehumanized me. Destroyed my womanhood. You can never have my daughter. Never.
Rosalie, shall we come, please?
Please, please.
Thank you.
Please.
Mommy, please. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you to please forgive my daddy.
Please. Please find a place in your heart to forgive Chief. I know he has wronged you. I can imagine. Okay? But please, find a place in your heart to forgive Chief. If not for anything, for the sake of your beautiful daughter. And for the sake of God. He can change from doggy master to man of God. Please. God can change him. Please forgive him. Please.
Florence. Please forgive me. It is the work of the devil. I didn't plan to maltreat you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Rosalie. Please. I am sorry. I pledge to be a good father. I didn't intend to treat your mother and you like that. I am sorry, please. Love you, so please forgive me. Like Jimmy said, please.
Please, Mama.
Please forgive my husband. I can't wait to have a child of my own. Please. Please, I beg of you. Please, Florence. Please. A woman like me. You should know how I feel being childless.
Tell me you're kidding right now.
My sister, I was so shocked to my bones.
Who would believe that the almighty Chief Douglas is your father?
Do you know, if you wake me up and say Chief Douglas is your father, I will never believe it. I've never even visualized it, that he will even be related to me. Talk more of being my father. Oh my God.
What is Jimmy saying about this?
He's so happy. He's very, very happy I've united with my father.
Who would not be happy? Look at Roslyn, that was fatherless.
Sister.
Now have a father. And a very rich one at that matter.
My sister, I can't even believe it. Like, for the past 30 years, it's been crazy. And all of a sudden, God just, like, I don't know how the whole thing just happened. But I'm just so happy and I'm so grateful to God. Like, everything just turned out this way.
I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you, my friend.
Thank you so much.
So when is Jimmy coming to see your parents with his kinsmen?
Oh, this week. He's coming on Sunday. He said he can't wait any longer.
So fast! Oh, I'm so happy for the both of you.
Yes, let me shock you. My dad gave Jimmy and I 10 million naira to plan our wedding.
Oh my!
And after that, we'll be going to Dubai for our honeymoon. I'm telling you.
Look at Roslyn. Roslyn will be traveling to Dubai very soon.
Yes, sir.
And I'm here.
Have you not been traveling since? I mean, I've been in this town walking.
You know my travel is just Ghana now. I've not gone to Dubai.
Don't worry, you know my friend. We'll go together now, so that we'll share the bed together.
That reminds me.
Yeah.
Have you gone for test checkup, because it's very vital?
Yes, we did that during lunch.
Oh.
Went to teaching hospital.
I trust you. You're very intelligent, I know. See, I am going to be your maid of honor. Don't even try to use someone else. If not, I will break you.
Of course, Debbie. I just want to, Debbie. I don't know how to thank you. You know, you've been there for me. You've been a friend I never had. When everybody was against me, I didn't have a father. You were there for me. You advised me and you always look out for me.
Hey, you don't have to cry. You don't have to. See, you're a good person. And I'm happy you ended well. I am happy you're happy.
Thank you so much.
You don't have to cry. Come on.
It's okay. Thank you.
It's nothing.
I'm grateful
It's nothing.
for being an amazing friend. Everyone deserves a friend like you.
It's nothing.
Yeah.
Come here.
Hello, Daddy.
My beautiful angel, how are you?
I'm very well, Dad. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you?
I'm very well.
Great. So, where is my priceless jewel off to?
Oh, Dad, you know, I went to see the designer to know what they are doing and everything. So I'm just coming from there.
I see.
Yeah.
Did you see Jimmy?
Yes, I saw him already. So we'll be going for lunch pretty soon.
Are you decided to check on me?
Of course, Dad. I have to, you know, stop by to say hi.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Thank you, Dad.
Yes.
Hey, Dad. Yeah, I saw something when I was coming in. A signpost, so I wanted to know what that's all about.
Oh, yes. It was your fiancé's idea. I mean, he wants us to get a replacement for you.
Oh, I see. He said something about that.
Yes.
So how is it going?
Well, it's going well. We are moving forward. As a matter of fact, he interviewed 2 people this morning.
Already? Oh, Jimmy. He's so serious with his work.
You see, the truth of the matter is that I want my beautiful angel to have some rest so that he can look healthy, you know. to get wedded to the fiancé.
I know. That's so thoughtful of you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I can't wait to see you what they are with your heartthrob.
I can't even wait myself to say I do. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So Dad, I will leave you now to continue with what you were doing. So I'll see you in the evening.
It's alright.
Alright. Alright, Dad.
I will not forget something.
Oh, that's true. Daddy, sorry.
Arrange it for me. Arrange it for me. You can't
This
even
is
arrange
good.
it. It's alright.
Okay, Dad.
Okay.
See you.
See you, my angel.
Bye.
Bye.
I thought as much. Could it be she tendered her resignation letter to the company? She resigned maybe, to have time to plan her wedding. No wonder the company wants a new secretary. Stephanie, you missed it. You should have been the one running around for your wedding by now. How come I never thought of giving Jimmy a chance? He loved me. He pleaded with me severally to accept his marriage proposal. But I was carried away by materialism. I was not able to see what lies ahead. I only cared about what I can see and not taking cognizance of tomorrow. Jimmy would always remind me that no condition is permanent. I am still single at my age. At 30, no man to call my own. When all my mates are married with kids, my younger sisters are all married with children. I missed it. Jimmy is a good man. He did everything possible to make me love him. But I hated him. I abused him. I called him names just because he was poor. I went overboard. How could I have known that an ordinary company's messenger would turn out to become the company's general manager in a twinkle of an eye? Jimmy, the company's messenger, now the general manager of Douglas & Douglas Associates Limited. It beats my imagination. Should have seen it coming. I was spiritually daft. I underestimated Jimmy. Now, he wants to marry the one that was there for him when he was nothing. What have I done to myself? I have to pick the broken pieces of my life from where I have fallen.
My life. I just wanna be free.
No, I will never accept this ignominious defeat. If I can't have Jimmy, then Rosalind can't either. I have to stop them.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, sir. Yes, I summoned this meeting because there have been rumors of some of the staff
complaining that Roslyn has not been on duty for a while now. And that I can understand because really she has not been around. For example, the accountant saw me yesterday and it was short of querying me why Roslyn has not been reporting for work. So I felt that it is only good and normal for me to let you know why she has not been around. Okay. Roslyn here, my daughter, and my son-in-law Jimmy will be getting married very soon. Yes. And
sorry, Chief. Did you say Roslyn, your daughter? And Jimmy, your son-in-law?
Of course. You see, Roslyn is my biological daughter, my only child at that. And Jimmy is my son-in-law because they're about getting married. Anyway, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by Stephanie here. They will be getting married very soon, and as a result, my daughter is relinquishing her position as the company secretary. Consequently, I have appointed another company secretary, and that is the person of Miss Kate. Please stand. You may sit down. So, like I said, my daughter Roslyn and my son Jimmy will be getting married. I want to use this opportunity to invite you to attend their traditional marriage that will be taking place this Saturday. And that will be immediately followed by their wedding, and that will be the next Saturday after this one. Well, they told me they are going to Berlin in Germany. I don't know the reason for that choice, but that's what they want. So, by the time they are back from their honeymoon, my beautiful daughter, Roslyn, will be taking over my position as the MD of this company. Together with my son Jimmy, I'm very sure that they will take the company to greater heights. And I trust that all of you will cooperate with them and assist them in moving the company forward. You know, I am getting old, no gainsaying that. So I'm retiring partially, but I still remain the chief executive officer of this company. So I'll be coming to the office from time to time to check how things are going. And I'm sure that we all work together to give this company, you know, the growth and profitability that it well deserves. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. You're all invited.
I just wanna love somebody and pray that someone loves me back. I just wanna be the best I can. I don't wanna live a life of crime.
Jagada, retreat. I cannot afford to play with the life of the daughter of a man who picked me from the slum and gave me reasons to leave. She is Chief Douglas's only child. Yes. So, We are not going to carry out a kidnap anymore. Jagada, like I said, I am no longer interested. And please, cease every communication with me henceforth. If it's about the money I gave you, don't worry, you can have it. Use it to better your life. Have a good day.
I have my reasons to quit, but please can we talk right now? Where is your message? Oh, I'm pleading your message. Can't take it no more.
I think
Can you hear?
this is where I have come to the end of my illicit lifestyle. Slave queen, slave mama. Who's slave queen help? Who's slave queen help?
Where have you been for long? Are you chilling?
I cannot pay Chief evil for his kindness towards me. I'm just going to give my life to Christ. I believe that one day He'll have mercy on me and bless me with my own husband.
Can you